Dear users, it's been a long time since I don't make a video about Flared. I've been absorbed by other projects, but what I want to show you now it's the use of Flared inside a professional project that I'm doing for a client. So this is why I had to blur the logo on the bottle, because this product is not on sale at the moment. It's a project that we are developing, and to make this picture that I think will go on the socials, I think that in the future we will have more than one bottles, because there are more than one flavors of this fruit juice. I take an HDRI picture that I had on the background, and there's nothing more, because there's only the bottle, the background, and this wooden table that is only a plane. I'm using Dove, depth of field, and I'm using Flared to make this effect. Now I remove it, okay? I wanted to give more drama. I wanted to have a light source, sun flares that comes from this side, and I think I will animate them to make a short video, static video, only this bottle with the moving leaves in the background and the moving flares here. This flare is a substantial template, this one that I'm using here, and as you can see now, it's very soft, the effect. There are soft ghosts, and if you want to see what happened when I make more brighter the ghosts, I can force 8 here, and here are the ghosts that are more visible now. I can move the scale to have bigger or a lower scale, and I can have more sun beams here, or I can amplify the light of the sunbeams, more than 3, 5, okay, 10. The problem is that the flare gets too visible now, and the picture appear to be on the background of the flare. So now it's too heavy, the effect. I don't like it. It was just to show you how we can modify all these elements, and for now that's all, because I just wanted to show you how this flare could modify a simple scene like this, giving more drama and more realism to it. So this is a good result for me, and thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.